Hey there, what's up? Welcome to the video. This is Teja, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to get Facebook Messenger on your PC. Now this is a very easy and simple trick. You can use Facebook Messenger on your PC by just using Google Chrome. Yes, you heard it right. There is actually an extension for Google Chrome using which you can use Facebook Messenger from your own PC. Now first of all, open your Google Chrome. If you haven't yet installed it, then go and install Google Chrome. The link I will give in the description. And once you install Google Chrome, open Google Chrome and type in Web Store, and then open Chrome Web Store. Now here in this search box, type in Facebook Messenger. Just don't worry, I'll put the link for this extension in the description below, so you can find it out right away. So here is the extension named App Launcher for Messenger. So just click on Add to Chrome button present at the right side of the screen, this blue Add to Chrome button. Just click on that, and it says that extension wants to use your microphone and camera, so just click on Add App. So now it takes some time to add that extension to your Google Chrome. So once it is done adding the extension to Google Chrome, you can use the Messenger. So here is the Messenger, so just click on that, and here we go. This is the Messenger window. Now you can log in with your email ID and password. So let me log in into my account. So here we go. This is my Messenger, and here we go. Here are my messages, and it looks quite natural. I mean, it looks exactly the same as it looks in your Android or iOS mobile. So you have all the app options that a Messenger have. You see here, you can edit the nicknames, change color, change emoji and whatnot. It is an actual Messenger. Now yes, you are using it on your PC. Now one exclusive feature of this tool is that you can log out of your account and then log in with another account. I mean, you can switch between two accounts, unlike the Facebook Messenger on Android or iOS mobile. I mean, in case of Android and iOS mobile, you just cannot switch between two accounts. I mean, you cannot log out of your account and switch between two accounts. So this is the extensive and the best part of this tool. So you can click on this gear symbol and then select log out from this drop down menu, and then you can sign in from another account. So in such a way you can switch between two accounts, which is a very big advantage. So thanks for watching this video tutorial. If this video really helped you, don't forget to subscribe to me. If you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to help you. Like my Facebook page at facebook.com/techcross156. I'll put the link in the description, so go check the description, and visit my website at techcross156.com. and you can email me at anonymoushacker156@gmail.com. the email ID is in the description below. So thanks for watching. Cheers.